Simply supported beam. So now let's do simply supported beam. This we did this now. Now let's do simply. I want to do this FBM4. So the FBM4 now. I'll come here. I'll still pick this. See. Just like a reference for me to work with. Come here. I'll write this. That's section 2 of the tutorial. 02 02 and FVM4. Don't forget we are doing FVM4. FVM4, if you can see FVM4. So what's the span of FVM4, which is 5 meters. So now I just want to teach you just two tricks because time is not on my side. We have 5 meters here, and I also have 2, 9, 2, 5. Either you stretch like this, stretch it out without not knowing extent. That's 9141, and you copy your 5 meter out. You have something like this, and you do all those trimming and all of that. So if you don't want to do all those, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. I have 2925. I'll just come here 5 meters, then minus 2925. I have 2075. Stretch, and I'll just write 2075. I have my 5 meters. I don't need to stress myself, going through all those stream stress for simply supported beam. Then bring this up. It's not showing very well to my own taste. Let's 1.2. Okay. So here I told you we have span reinforcement. Let's say I want to use the 2 as 3 3. And you continue what you've done here. This is 07, the bar mark, and it's going to be 08. Sorry, I'm having runny nose, and if that is inconvenient with you, I'm sorry. So 08, then 09. So we have 3 3. Do you get it now? This is the this is how you draw your simply supported beam in an easy way. All right. So cantilever beam. I'm trying to find. This is a cantilever beam actually. The FVM2 is a cantilever beam. Okay, let me just do a small trick. I want to draw FBM2 that requires cantilever beam. Now let's go. According to experience, according to experience and all of that, this FBM1 stops, has the support C, D, B, if you can relate with, FBM1. But right now I'm talking about A, B, C, D, and I have a cantilever beam at the front. Now let's do this. So now what I'll do is that I'll copy FBM1. I want to draw FBM2. I just, working smart and all of that. I want to draw FBM2 because I don't want to start drawing it from the beginning. Sorry. So this is what you do. Stop at 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What you do now is that stop at 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be our section 3 according to the way we draw it. Section 3. Section 3. This is section 2. And this is FBM2. Don't mind the arrangement. You stop at 1, 2, 3. That means this will be our hand now. Bring this out. Bring this. Bring this. Bring this also. Then you move M space bar. I'm sorry. I'm not confident with this. Only knows kata of everything. And bring this out. Extend. You know, have this. Have this. You have this. I want to remove this. So all this, I don't need them again. Now we have this. So now stop here, but I'm having a shootout of 1, 2, 2, 5, which is the cantilever beam. So what you do here is that you click on the last one, stretch it out by by the distance of the cantilever. 1, 2, 2, 5. You have this, then you bring it back by 1, 2, 2, 5. Do you understand? So by that, you bring this out, you copy this, outside except from the inside. Click it on top. Then you have this. Just want to show you how to draw, the cantilever beam. This, okay. Then use a cantilever beam. It does not have a support. It does not have a column. Column is a support. Now in this kind of scenario, now I can just say, okay, linear. Have this at the center. Then MA space bar. Match my properties. Then I have this. And according to the cantilever, it doesn't have a support. You trim this out. Sorry, I'm not convenient with this. I'm sorry. You trim this out. So you have something like this. You understand? This is a cantilever beam now. So in this kind of scenario, how are you going to draw the reinforcement? First, you check this to this place. What do you have? We have 11 meters. You're still good. You're still good. At least once you are more than 12 meters, then you cut the bottom reinforcement. But with this 11.7, still critical. You can still cut it, but at least let me ignore it now. So at your support A is 0, don't forget. Then you erase this. I'm trying this. I'm sorry guys, me myself I'm not convenient with this running nose of eating. If you're not convenient with it, then I'm sorry. So from here, so you have your cantilever. So yeah, put it here. Okay. Or something like this. Okay. So this is what you have. This is how you draw the reinforcement. Because your cantilever reinforcement is going to be a support reinforcement. Is a support reinforcement. While this I told you about, once is less than 3 meters, and it's not. So you have this, all this reinforcement now is a support reinforcement. This is span reinforcement. This is support reinforcement, and this is span reinforcement. You understand now? Alright. So this, let's say I put this as 2, so that would be 2 watts, and this thing is consuming this. So let's say this is 2. You continue with the line of this 2 and 10. Sorry guys, to 10 until 11, 11, 12. So this is the support reinforcement I'm using for at this moment. 3, and let's say 12. 4 is according to the design, so don't mind me using 4 kind of questions, because you are supposed to have a design result before you can know how many reinforcement is going to be on top of each designated reinforcement. So we have this as 12, then let me see, use it as 3, 13. So with the simple, with the small, what's it called, with the small time that we have, let me just draw the section for you to complete the work. So this beam now, the beam is 450. You copy this. This is the section. I want to draw section for you. This is the 450. So FBM1, you go back and check FBM1. So FBM1, there's no slab at this place. There's no slab at this place. There's slab at this place. Do you understand? So that means your FBM1 is going to be like this. You extend this up, slab. You raise this. You raise this. You raise this. And mind you, all the beam is 450. The thickness of the slab is 150. Then the remaining of the slab, then you have the remaining after the slab is 300. You understand now? Alright. So you have something like this. And for me, let me just draw this, the continuation for you. I'll draw it now for you. The continuation for you. So that means the slab is continuing. You understand? So here we have So now, so section one, this is the one, this is the one. Do you understand? This is the one. Now this is two. The reinforcement is two. The bar mark is 0, 1. Bottom, the reinforcement is 3. The bar mark is 0, 6. So that means we have 0, 1 and what? 0, 6. And we also have two reinforcement and 3. So that means this is going to be two reinforcement, 1 year, 1 year, and 3. You raise these two at the center, then you place this, you know, at the center. I hope you understand this. And so if you have any question on this, please just drop it for me. And next one, which is section 2. Now let's draw section 2, which is FBM4. This is section 2. No, sorry, this is FBM4. There is a slab here, there is a slab here. Do you understand? So now, what you do now is you can copy this out. Copy this out. And the 225 is the weight of the beam, 225 by 450. 225 by 450. Do you understand? Now, this is section 2. Section 2. Now it has a continuous slab at both sides, which I'm going to have like this. I know I'm losing that. I'm sure of that. Oh, sorry. So from here, I'll bring this out. Extend this out. Erase this. So you have something like this. You understand? Continuation in both sides. So you check number 2. You have your bar mark of 0809. You write that first. Now you can choose your own direction yourself. But you have 08, 08, 09, 09. So what do we have then? We have, oh my god, so we have 3, 3. So then this is 3. So you just click on this so that everything can rhyme out. Then you just drop it here. 3. So you have the, you know. So the third one you can do that by yourself. So thank you for your time. Have a good day.